Slime here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys a mini cloud slime collection. So yeah, I'm really excited for this. So let's just go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, so total I have 8 cloud slime. So yep. First, let's start with the biggest one I have. This probably not all, but like this, but yeah, it's just a mini one. I'll have more coming soon, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, it leaves quite some residue, but when you stretch it, it's like really fluffy, as you can see, and it's very stretchable. And yes, very slow Jesus too. So it's like those dream cloud slimes everybody's wanted to make, and oh my god, this looks like Spider-Man. But yeah, that's all. Next, I have this first one, and it's like a white one too. So, but these are different ones. So yeah. Okay, so this isn't that fluffy like when you stretch and stuff, yeah, but it's still okay. For the first drizzle, sorry about that, I pulled it too hard, so yeah. Okay, next we got this one. Wow. And it smells like strawberries, so yeah. Okay, not that juicy, but it smells good and stuff, so yeah. Next, this one is scented like a very nice smell. It's like ice cream soda or salted caramel scent, but yeah, really nice. It doesn't leave residue, but these residues are just from the other slabs, so yeah. It's really slow juices, which is really satisfying, so yeah. Next, we got this slime. This one also doesn't leave any residue, but these residues are from other slimes, so yeah. I really like it, but it's like little, so I should make more, so yeah. Okay, next, for the second last slime, which is 7 slime, I have this one. It's scented slightly orange, so yeah. As some of these, like I think 6 sprinkles, yeah. Okay, very nice. And the last slime, it smells nice, like a sweet smell. Whoa. Ooh. But it's really nice and drizzly and stuff, so yeah. So guys, I forgot about this little small one, so this is actually the last slime. Sorry, but yeah, it is a bit moist, but it's really nice. anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this mini cloud slime collection vid. And this actually not Vin slimes, it's actually my own slime, but I reused the container, so don't worry. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to smash that subscribe button, turn it from red to gray, and be sure to share this video with your friends so they can subscribe to me too. And by the way, I'm going to hit 200 followers soon on my Instagram account, so please follow me there. I'll leave my name in the description box down below, and I only need 5 more followers. I'm super excited. I'll be holding a giveaway when I reach 200 followers. So yeah, and please be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel as well. And I'll also be doing some giveaways when I reach 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.